everyone! Welcome back to Flavor King. Today, we're making super easy and delicious chicken meatballs with just 4 simple ingredients.
We call them meatballs. Pakistani and Indians call them kofta. What do you call them in your country? Drop it in the comments below. We would love to know. Let's get started.
Take 1 kilogram of chicken breast pieces and put them in the chopper. Mince the chicken until it's nice and fine. Once it's minced, transfer it to a bowl. Now add our 4 simple ingredients: 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons red chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon salt.
If you like it extra spicy, feel free to add more red chili flakes and black pepper.
Mix everything really well. Now let the mixture rest for at least 30 minutes.
This step is important. It lets all the spices soak into the meat beautifully.
Next, heat some oil in a pan. We're going to shallow fry them. Shape the mixture into small meatballs and gently place them in the pan. Keep the flame on medium heat. Let them cook for a few minutes, then flip them gently. Fry for a total of about 5 to 7 minutes until they're golden and cooked through. Dish them out.
These meatballs are perfect with yogurt mint sauce and fresh salad on the side. They're so economical, juicy, and full of flavor. Your kids and guests are gonna love them. In fact, they'll probably ask you for the recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out my other amazing recipes too.
Thanks so much for watching. This is Flavor King. See you in the next one.